Alright, here we are again with a box of 05-06 Ultimate Collection Hockey. That last box of 06-07 was just so much damn fun. I had to try my luck at getting a Crosby or Ovechkin rookie. I got Stefan here as well, who's going halfers with me on this bad boy, so let's get this party going. For all of those of you who are patiently waiting, 0910 Ultimate Collection is due to be released June 22nd of this year. And let's do box one. Box one. It's funny, the packaging looks the exact same as 06-07. The Boston-Philadelphia game is on right now, and Philly just scored. It's now 4-3. With 53 seconds to go in the third, so all you Philly fans, let's see what happens, right? Alright, first pack. We have a Brad Richards Ultimate Collection base. It's numbered to 599. Next, oh yeah, that's very nice. Chris Draper, National Heroes, numbered to 225. It's a really nice card. Next is a Hannu Toivonen signature, and I don't think there's a number on that. No, there's no number. Nice autograph. And last, Steve Bernier rookie. Yeah, seen better. So there's first pack. Pack two. Let's see what happens here. Of course, 05-06, I think everyone knows what we're looking for here. These packs are hard to get into.
I'll see it.
Okay, so we'll start off with a Jonathan Cheechoo base. Paul Kariya jersey, numbered to 250. Jeff O'Neill auto from the Maple Leafs. Oh yeah, and a Rostislav Olez rookie auto, numbered to 399. And Philly just won the semifinals, playing Montreal. Unbelievable. Okay, pack three. Ooh. Okay. So Ryan Holweg base, numbered rookie. Sorry, it's Ryan Holweg rookie. Never heard of him. Oh yeah, Eric Lindros, a nice big premium swatch, numbered to 75. Ryan Suter,
I have that
autograph. And, an Eric Christensen rookie. It's tricky. I saw the Pittsburgh. Alright, last pack. Last pack. Oh, this one feels thick. Oh yeah, there's something thick in this puppy.
Crosby.
Okay, Michael Ryder base. Oh, nice. A Mario Lemieux patch.
Ooh.
Ultimate jersey patch, numbered to 75.
And
A Brendan Morrow auto. And last but not least, a Nicholas Nordgren rookie. So the rookies in these weren't very good. But easily the best card in the 4 packs is the Mario Lemieux. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.